Hints of the OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit. It has more inputs and only one output. It is the basic element that makes up the digital system. It performs the basic OR logic function. It uses diodes or transistors. Those act as electronic switches. OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit that combines two or more signals. The output is on if one or all input signals are present. Explanation of the OR gate by the electrical circuit diagram. The figure A shows the electrical circuit diagram and the figure B shows the block diagram. Inputs are the switch A and the switch B. The output is Y. Conditions. The switch is open is equal to 0 and the switch is closed is equal to 1. If there is no output, Y is equal to 0 and if there is the output, Y is equal to 1. Operation. Case 1. Inputs A equal to 0, B equal to 0 and the output Y equal to 0. Case 2. Inputs A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and the output Y equal to 1. Case 3. Inputs A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and the output Y equal to 1. Case 4. Inputs A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and the output Y equal to 1. Symbol. Definition. Either the input is high 1 or all inputs are high 1. The output is high 1. The OR gate is also known as the inclusive gate. Boolean expression Y equal to A or B. Relation between the number of inputs and outputs. 2 to the power of I is equal to O, where I is equal to inputs and O is equal to outputs. Number of inputs are equal to 2. Number of outputs are equal to 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4. Truth table of the two inputs OR gate. This table shows all possible operations. Inputs output. Inputs BA output Y. Inputs 0 0 output 0. Inputs 0 1 output 1. Inputs 1 0 output 1. Inputs 1 1 output 1. Application. Whenever the occurrence of any one or more than one event is needed to be detected or some actions are to be taken after their occurrence, in all those cases OR gates can be used. It is also an elementary building block of the digital circuits. 3 inputs OR gate. The figure D shows the connection diagram of the 3 inputs OR gate using the 2 inputs OR gate. The figure E shows the symbol of the 3 inputs OR gate and the figure F shows the truth table of the 3 inputs OR gate. Connection diagram. The figure shows the connection diagram of the OR gate. The diagram uses the first OR gate of the IC 7432. The input switches 1 and 2 are connected to pins 1 and 2 of the gate. The output, the LED is connected to the pin 3. The pin 14 is the VCC and the pin 7 is the ground. Numbers of the IC. TTL logic gate 74LS32 quad 2 inputs. CMOS logic gates CD4071 quad 2 inputs. CD4075 triple 3 inputs. CD4072 dual 4 inputs. CMOS ICs are very sensitive to the static electricity. Make sure that you discharge yourself properly by touching a grounded metal surface before you touch the CMOS chip. For maximum protection, wear an anti-static wristband. Pin diagram. The pin diagram of the IC 74LS32. The IC has 4 numbers of 2 inputs or gates. The pin 14 is the VCC and the pin 7 is the ground. Dear viewers, kindly take a sheet of paper and a pen. Write answers after viewing the questions. Check your answers with published answers. Thank you. Electronics hints. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The logic gate has answers A. 1 input and few output. B. 1 input and many output. C. Many inputs and 1 output. D. Many inputs and many outputs. Question number 2. The truth table shows all answers. A. Connections. B. Operations. C. Servicing methods. D. Mistakes. Question number 3. The number of possible operations by a gate is dash number. Answers A. Add. B. Even. C. Add and even. D. Single. Question number 4. The inclusive gate is answers A. OR gate. B. AND gate. C. NOT gate. D. NAND gate. Question number 5. The output of OR gate is 0 when inputs are answers A. 0 0, B. 0 1, C. 1 0, D. 1 1. Question number 6. The IC number of the OR gate is answers A. 7412, B. 7422, C. 7432, D. 7442. Question number 7. The Boolean expression of the OR gate is answers A. A or B, B. A minus B, C. A dot B, D. A divided by B. Answers 1C, 2B, 3B, 4A, 5A, 6C, 7A. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. Electronics hints.